Can I create a second, third Etsy store without needing to change IP address and so forth? No, I would definitely not do that. Don't do them all on the same IP address. But when you say changing IP address, you're making it sound like overly complicated, too complicated. It's really not complicated at all, right? It's really not complicated at all. I wouldn't worry about it. You basically just need to use ads power and proxies. You can literally look up on YouTube or on Google how to do ads power, how to do things like this. It's very, 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 very simple. You definitely need new IP addresses every single time. Every single time, okay? So don't worry too much about that. Every single time you want to change IP addresses, and it's really not complicated. It sounds very complicated when you say proxies and when you say ads power, things like this, but it's actually very, very simple, okay? So you definitely don't want to do it on one IP address. This is a way people track. They can kind of cross-link stores and ban stores. If you have 5 stores running, they're all on the same IP address, one of them gets banned, it's way more likely that all 5 will get banned, or you'll run into potential problems because of the IP addresses.